What really happens to your body in the first 7 days of eating no carbs is not what most people expect. Most people think it's only about weight loss, but your body goes through a full reset. Before we start, understand this. The first week feels strange for almost everyone. If you quit too early, you never see the real benefits. Day 1 begins the moment you remove bread, rice, sugar, and snacks. Your body immediately burns stored sugar called glycogen. Glycogen holds water, so when it's gone, water leaves too. This is why the scale drops fast in the first 2 days. That fast weight loss is not fat yet. By day 2 or 3, energy often crashes. Headaches, brain fog, and bad moods can show up. This phase is often called the low-carb flu. Your brain is used to sugar and doesn't like change. Feeling bad here doesn't mean it's failing. Around day 3, your body looks for a new fuel source. Instead of sugar, it starts burning fat. This switch is hard work for your body. Hunger signals may feel confusing. Some people lose appetite. Others crave junk intensely. Cravings peak right before they drop. By day 4, insulin levels fall. Lower insulin helps unlock stored body fat. Bloating usually starts to go down. Clothes may feel looser already. This is when most people quit for no reason. Day 5 often brings clearer thinking. Energy slowly starts coming back. Mood swings may calm down. Digestion may change, which is normal. Your body is learning a new rhythm. By day 6, fat burning feels steadier. Hunger becomes more controlled. Snacking urges fade. Sleep may improve for some people. This is where discipline finally pays off. Day 7 feels like a turning point. Energy feels more even. Food no longer controls every thought. The body now understands the new fuel system. The first week was the hardest part. What happens next depends on how you continue. But most people agree on one thing. Quitting before day 7 is the biggest mistake. Your body just needed time to adapt. And this is where real change actually begins.